Banana stems contain strong natural fibers, making them a valuable source for sustainable material production.
Only mature banana stems are selected, as they contain stronger fibers essential for high-quality material production. After cutting, banana stems are carefully collected and arranged to preserve their structure before transport and processing.
Harvested banana stems are loaded onto transport vehicles to ensure quick and efficient movement to processing facilities. The harvested stems are transported through controlled routes to maintain freshness and prevent structural fiber damage.
The outer protective layer of the banana stem is carefully removed to expose the rich internal fibers used in sustainable material production.
The aligned stem sections are fed into automated conveyor systems for controlled and continuous fiber extraction processing.
The stem sections undergo controlled water spraying to remove impurities while preserving the integrity of natural fibers. High-pressure air systems remove remaining surface particles, ensuring the banana stems are fully prepared for fiber processing.
After washing, controlled drainage systems remove excess moisture to prepare the fibers for precise processing and refinement. Advanced optical sorting systems categorize banana fibers based on quality, ensuring uniformity for the next extraction phase. Carefully aligned fibers are continuously fed into the extraction system for high-efficiency processing and refinement.
The extraction system activates, applying controlled mechanical force to separate and refine banana fibers efficiently. Precision blade systems gently separate fibers into finer strands while preserving their natural structural strength. Refined banana fibers emerge as ultra-fine strands, ready for further purification and processing stages.
Moist fibers flow through controlled channels, where excess water is gradually separated for optimal refinement. Vibrating mesh systems efficiently separate residual organic matter, ensuring only purified fibers continue forward.
Continuous extrusion systems produce uniform banana fibers with consistent strength, purity, and structural alignment. Multi-roller systems refine and compress fibers through successive stages, ensuring uniform structure and enhanced consistency. Refined fibers are seamlessly collected into a unified conveyor system, maintaining alignment and production continuity.
Processed fibers are carefully accumulated in controlled layers, ensuring consistent density and storage efficiency.
Remaining pulp residues are carefully removed to ensure the fibers are clean, pure, and ready for final alignment. Specialized alignment systems organize fibers into parallel strands, ensuring uniformity for the next processing stage.
A secondary extraction pass further refines the fibers, removing micro-impurities and enhancing overall quality. Refined fibers are carefully bundled into uniform groups, maintaining alignment and preparing them for washing and treatment. Rotating wash drums gently clean the fibers, removing impurities through controlled motion and continuous water flow. Using only clean water, the fibers are purified without chemicals, preserving their natural strength and eco-friendly properties.
Residual foam is carefully removed from the system, ensuring a fully clean and stable fiber purification process.
The fibers are carefully separated and lifted from water, beginning the transition into controlled drying conditions. Excess water is efficiently removed through advanced drainage systems, preparing fibers for hygienic transfer.
The fibers pass through a hygienic transfer system, ensuring contamination-free movement into final purification stages.
After purification, the fibers emerge clean, uniform, and ready for controlled drying and final processing. Natural airflow gently removes moisture, allowing the fibers to dry evenly and maintain their structural integrity.
Controlled hot air circulation ensures uniform drying, stabilizing fiber structure for final processing.
The moisture extraction process is completed, confirming that the fibers are fully stabilized and ready for final collection.
Fully dried fibers are collected in uniform layers, ready for the next stage of refinement and transformation. The dried fibers are precisely shredded into smaller segments, preparing them for pulp formation.
The shredded fibers are finely ground into soft material, forming the base for absorbent pulp production.
Close inspection reveals a soft, uniform pulp structure designed for maximum absorbency and comfort. The refined pulp is processed into a smooth, uniform sheet, ensuring consistency for high-quality absorbent products. A smooth, uniform pulp sheet is produced, forming the essential base for absorbent product layers. The calibrated sheets are carefully transferred to the assembly section, ensuring perfect alignment for pad formation.
The assembly process begins as precision-cut sheets are carefully positioned to form the foundational layers of the sanitary pad structure. The base layer is carefully placed into the mold, forming the foundation for the absorbent pad structure. Multiple engineered layers are precisely assembled, forming a unified structure designed for comfort, strength, and absorption.
The layered structure is gently compressed, forming a stable, uniform shape while preserving absorbent performance. Precision die cutting transforms the compressed sheet into perfectly shaped sanitary pads with consistent geometry.
The edges are ultrasonically sealed, reinforcing the structure and ensuring durability without compromising softness.
A biodegradable leak-proof layer is precisely laminated, creating a protective barrier while maintaining breathability and comfort.
A final soft comfort layer is applied, ensuring a smooth, breathable surface designed for enhanced skin comfort. Each pad undergoes precision optical inspection to ensure uniform texture, structure integrity, and hygiene standards.
The pad undergoes flexibility testing to ensure durability, comfort, and structural stability under repeated motion.
Final compression calibration ensures structural stability, confirming each pad meets exact engineering and comfort standards.
Each pad is carefully transferred into a sealed environment, ensuring contamination-free handling before sterilization. Ultraviolet sterilization eliminates microbial presence, ensuring each pad meets strict hygiene safety standards.
Controlled heat treatment stabilizes structure, removes residual moisture, and enhances long-term product integrity. Advanced ionized and plasma airflow systems ensure complete germ elimination, maintaining absolute hygienic safety. Each pad is individually wrapped in a sterile protective layer, ensuring hygiene and product integrity until use. The automated sealing system locks each pack securely, ensuring long-term hygiene protection and product safety.
Each pack receives precise branding and batch labeling, ensuring traceability and consistent product identity.
Finished products are carefully grouped and packed into cartons, ensuring secure transport and efficient distribution.
Designed for everyday comfort. Soft, safe, and ready when you need it.